5 useful baby accessories for car travel. Whether you are planning a short drive to the store or a cross-country road trip, there is a wide range of colorful toys, organizers and other accessories that can make your driving experience a lot easier. They range from useful items like the sunshade to give the eyes a little protection to toys to stimulate the little one's imagination and senses. Let's take a look at a few of the most appealing car accessories for a baby. Sunshade. A sunshade is a simple solution to make a baby feel more comfortable while traveling in a vehicle. It is very effective at protecting the baby's eyes from glaring UV rays which can easily upset and leave a baby distressed. Most simply attach to the car window using suction cups. Plus, it can even come in a stretchable fabric, which makes it really easy to fit the shape and size of your specific vehicle's window. Snack pouch. A travel snack pouch is a great addition to the vehicle and a very useful item to have when hunger strikes. You can use this item to keep food like fruit or crackers easily accessible when needed. Also, the snack pouch is designed to be reusable, so most will be very easy to clean after each use. Backseat Organizer. A backseat organizer is a very convenient solution to stow away the baby essentials like sippy cups, books, toys or snacks. Most of the organizers have plenty of pouches and pockets to safely accept the small and large items. Pouches in mesh are useful to make it easier to see what the organizer is holding. The attachment mechanism can vary, but a typical method is to snap onto the backseat pocket. Safety mirror. A car safety mirror is a practical addition to the vehicle that makes it a lot easier to keep an eye on your baby in the backseat. This type of adjustable mirror is quick and easy to strap to any car headrest and will not impact visibility to ensure all-round driving safety. Seat monitor. A car seat monitor is a useful piece of kit that will attach to the strap of the baby's seat and will emit an audio alert in the event of becoming loose or entirely detached. This early warning makes it possible to quickly pull over and make the adjustments as necessary. Also, certain monitors will give a second alert if you move a certain distance from your baby, which prevents the risk of leaving a baby in the vehicle unattended. If you would like to add something based on your experiences, feel free to share it with other moms in the comment section below. Don't forget also to subscribe our channel.